I'm seeing someone here 'no, na parang, alam mo yung parang dumodoble yung tingin natin dito 'no, yung espada is shaking 'no, the hand is shaking. Parang itong klase ng energy na 'to with the Queen of Swords 'no, with the shaking sword, I'm picking up that there's someone here 'no, na parang meron ditong gustong alisin, tanggalin 'no, or whatever that is, pero parang nahihirapang gawin ito, parang parang hindi ko ata kayang tanggalin ito basta-basta. Kasi kung ano man 'tong bagay na 'to, parang ito yung bagay na gusto din niya. What? Let us see. Parang may something off doon 'no, parang may something mali doon 'no. Yung parang energy na parang alam mo ng mali, ba't mo pa gagawin? Let us see. Okay. This is someone right here you accepted sa inyong world, okay? So, I'm seeing three energies right here. Let me see more. But this is someone here you accepted. Tinanggap mo sa iyong mundo. Part of your community. Kakilala mo na. This person here is inside your life right now. Okay? Could be a friend. Could be, alliance right here. Someone here na isa sa soul tribe mo, no? Yeah, this is someone here na tinanggap mo sa iyong mundo, no? Well, actually, kaya ako na-mention yung I'm seeing three energies right here, no? Because I do see that uh, if this situation, no, ay mangyayari, nakikita ko dito na meron ka ng kakonek or may ka-in relationship ka na, no? And then, there's this other energy, no? Na parang dito ko nakikita, no, na umiikot or nagre-revolve yung situation ng inyong reading, no? And that's what we're gonna find out. Okay? Okay. So, you could be connecting right here with someone na may boyfriend ka na, may girlfriend ka na, no? And if you're single right now and this is your prediction sa yung future, no? This situation will happen kapag meron ka ng someone. Someone you love so dearly and that someone loves you dearly as well. So, let us see. Okay. Ba't napabuntong hininga ka dun, Miss Yan? Yeah, sinong hindi mapapabuntong hininga dito? Okay. 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 Bottom of the deck ay oh, power, destruction, ruin. Okay? So, before we dive deeper in dito sa inyong reading mga mahal, no, let me just greet muna ang lahat. Happy Sunday, new subscribers, welcome! I'm Yan. Happy Sunday, mga returning kong tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawa talagang pag-istambay dito sa aking mga channels. Yes, you heard it right na. So, if hindi mo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is nilagay ko down below sa ating description box. So, if interesado, just click that link no, para kayo ay mapunta doon sa ating other channel kung saan nag-upload din tayo ng collective readings for all signs every day. Yes, you heard it right then. Every day, daily po. Iyan, just take only what resonates. And please do know we do not have any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, no? Just focus sa energy and sa storyline, okay? And the feeling of connection. If you feel so connected and so drawn with the reading, then high chance this is yours. Okay? At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will. Malaya ninyong gamitin yan anytime, anywhere. Now, let's talk about this. Okay? This is something here important right here. Okay? So, nakita ko dito that with the Lover's card energy, okay, and there's this Six of Coins, I do see that meron kayo ritong ka-connect, 'no, at nagmamahalan kayong dalawa, your love is so pure, you're sweet, although may mga times na parang kayo ay, may pagkakaintindihan paminsan-minsan, 'no, pero nakukuha lagi sa lambing, 'no, at nakikita ko rito, 'no, na kayong dalawa ay talaga naman na para sa isa't isa. Yes, you heard it right, no? So, if you feel so much love coming from your person right here, no, despite sa inyong mga simple misunderstandings, which is normal, no, inside the relationship, no, talagang that kind of thing, no, naturally happens, 'di ba? So, dito nakita ko, no, that you will be in a relationship with someone who loves, who cares for you, who adores you, no, and who wants to take responsibility sa inyo, no, for a lifetime. So definitely, no, I'm seeing that you will be in such an amazing love story with someone who loves you so dearly. Okay. And then, ano yung sinasabi mo, Miss Yan, that there's another energy? Yes, you heard it right, no? I'm seeing three energies right here, no? And now, let's talk about the other person. Okay? So, uulitin ko lang, the other person is not the third party of your person because what I've mentioned, your person loves you so dearly and wants to take responsibility with you for a lifetime. No? So, sana nagkakaintindihan tayo doon. No? Malinaw na malinaw yon. No? Then, what about this third party right here, Miss Yan? No? Na third person, I mean. No, yeah. The third energy right here is the Nine of Coins. Someone here na tinanggap mo bilang kaibigan, inaccept mo sa iyong world bilang kakilala, or maybe this is you, no, coworker mo ito, no, someone here na kinakausap mo, nakakakwentuhan mo, someone you share your stories with, someone you share your food with, no, at nakita ko dito na minsan mo na rin siyang inililibre, no, kahit sa maliliit na bagay like pamasahe, or maybe drinks, no, and even foods, no, one of your friends. Maybe not one of the closest, but one of the people inside your world, no? Maybe not your favorite person here, but one of your soul tribe, one inside your life, no? Pwedeng yan ay kaibigan, kakilala, no? Someone right here na katrabaho, na kaibigan na din. Someone right here na nakakausap mo, no? And I do see that you accepted this person here because, yeah, mabait siya. This person right here shows you that he really wants to be your friend. He really wants or she really wants to be a part of your world as a friend, as a supporter right here, no, as someone who will definitely stay sa inyong life, no, but not in a romantic way, no. Then anong kinalaman niya rito, Miss Yano? Exactly, okay? We have here this Three of Cups right here, no, Two of Swords. We have here this Page of Swords, and there's this main energy, okay? The Seven of Wands, no? At nakakalokang Ace of Wands right next to it. No, bakit, Miss Yan? Ano bang nakakaloka doon? No? Well, okay, listen very carefully. So listen very carefully. So, kasi naman tong energy na 'to, makinig kang mabuti. Itong tao na 'to, 'no, ay nakikita ko rito, 'no, na mapapansin niya sa kanyang sarili rito, 'no, na nade-develop ang kanyang feelings para sa iyong person. What? Miss Yan, are you reading it right? Yeah, I am reading it right, no? And I'm seeing other informations right here that you might want to know. And that's what I'm going to tell you about this person right here, okay? Who you trust, who you sees as a friend, who you sees as a coworker na parang friend na rin, no? This person here do not really want to betray you. Why? Because he or she knows that kaibigan ka niya. He or she knows that you are someone here who is a good person. And this person here do not want to hurt you, no? Pero, this person right here feels something weird, no? Sa kanya ritong feeling. So, I don't know what really is their situation with your person, no? Ang ibig ko sabihin doon, hindi ko alam kung katrabaho ba ito ng person mo, hindi ko alam kung kapitbahay niyo ba ito, hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay parang paminsan-minsan na parang nakikita niya yung person mo, no? So, whatever the case may be, this other energy starts to develop some kind of feelings for your person. Okay. Diba? Nagsistart siyang ma-develop yung feelings dito, no? Yeah, and this person right here, no, starts to umiwas, starts to guard up yung sarili niya with these emotions, Two of Swords energy. At nakita ko na naka-receive na rin siya ng warning dito sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo. Maybe other friends ninyo, maybe family members, kamag-anak, key relatives, no, na nakakapansin with the Page of Swords energy. Parang binigyan nila ng warning itong person na to, no, because they already feel na merong feelings na nade-develop itong lumalabas rito, no, na third person, okay? The third wheel na may gusto sa person mo, no? So, parang ito yung mga people under, surrounding him or her, no? Both of you guys, so na parang hindi namin alam kung ano yung iniisip mo, pero wag yung person ni collective. Off limits yan. Ano? Parang ganun yung klase ng energy. Off limits yung person ni collective. Iba na lang. Wag yan. Yan, no? So, napapansin na rin talaga ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo na may gusto ito. No? Kasi nahuhuli siya rito, nakatingin sa person mo, no? Yeah, those glances, okay, may mga meaning yan, no? At hindi mga slow ang mga tao sa paligid ninyo, mga babes, no? So, alam nila, no, na may gusto itong third energy sa person mo, no? Kaya sila ay nagbibigay na rito ng warning, no? Na huwag yan. Kasi kay collective yan eh. Person yan ni collective. Okay? Tapusin mo yung feelings mo sa kanya. Yes, paglabanan yung feelings. Patayin yung apoy ng damdamin. That's the energy of the Seven of Wands to the Ace of Wands. But I was about to say the Page of Wands, no, which is dagdag information pa. Bakit ano yun, Miss yan, no? That is dagdag. No, kumbaga parang may apoy na mga babes, no? Pero nilagyan mo pa ng gas. Yun yun. Ibig sabihin, magliliyab talaga rito yung kanyang pag-ibig, no? So, nakita ko rito na this third person is really not someone talaga, no, na parang gusto rin talaga tong feelings na to kasi trinay na rin naman niya ritong paglabanan ito, no. At nare-realize niyang mali ito with the devil energy and the hermit. Lumalabas dito, no, that universe is telling me na itong person na to, no, is alam niya na isa itong pagkakamali, na isa itong kasalanan, no. Pero yun nga, no, nahihirapan siya ritong paglabanan ang emosyon na ganito. No? Alam niyang nagkamali siya rito dahil nakapag-develop siya ng feeling sa isang tao na hindi siya dapat makadevelop ng ganitong klase ng feelings. Pero ito ay magtutuloy-tuloy with the Eight of Wands energy. See? Look at that. The Eight of Wands energy, tapos yung binanggit natin kanina, no, habang nakatingin tayo dito, is the Page of Wands, no, yun ay ang pagsilab ng fire, that excitement, no, na meron ritong parang kahit pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya, parang hindi off limits yan, kasi kay collective yan, person yan ni collective, pero nakikita ko, no, that they love each other so much. Gusto ko rin ng ganong klase ng love, no? At gusto niya makuha yon hindi sa ibang tao, but from your person, no? So, naglalaban dito, no, yung parang good and bad thoughts sa loob ng kanyang utak, sa kanyang brain, no? Alam mo mga babes, no? Kapag feelings get in the way talaga, doon na nagsisimulang maging magulo ang lahat, no? Lalo na, okay, kung ito ay posibleng makasira ng isang relasyon, di ba? So, yung mga babes, no? Um, kung ang tanong ninyo, no, is masisira niya ba, Miss yan, yung relationship naming dalawa, no? Well, nakikita ko rito, no, yung sagot dyan, no, which is, we're lucky enough, no, or we're fortunate na malaman yung sagot dyan, no, na ang masisira dito, no, ay ang kanyang sarili. At ang relasyon nyo ng iyong person ay mananatiling matibay. No? Remember what I've said? Okay? Nung mga umpisa-umpisa pa ng reading na to, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, your person loves you so dearly na gusto niya kayo ritong alagaan lifetime. So, ibig sabihin, malinaw tayo dun, no? So, in short, mga babes, nagagawa siya rito ng mga movements na parang wala siyang control, kundi yung emotions niya lang yung nagko-control sa kanya rito, no? And other people, no, will tell it na parang dinidescribe nila na katangahan ito, kasyungahan ito, no? And yun nga talaga yun, no? This person here will do some kind of stupid things that will definitely mas magpapalayo rito, no, ng loob ng person mo sa kanya, pati na din ikaw. So, nakita ko rito, no, na magtatagumpay siya rito, hindi para masira yung relationship ninyo, kundi masira ang kanyang sarili. The Tower is an indication right here that it is indeed a crime. Adultery is a crime. Making pag-agaw with a person na may minamahal is a crime. Both in human world and in the world of unseen forces. Diba? Kasama yan sa 7 utos ng Panginoon. Diba? Okay? The deadly sin. So, nakita natin dito mga babes, na kung sino man tong energy na to, no, lumalabas, sige, his or her feelings are all valid, na hindi niya rin naman ginusto yung ganitong klase ng situation, na magkaroon ng develop ng feelings sa yung person right here, no, pero, ang mali dito is itinuloy niya pa rin at hinayaan niya ritong maging control ang emotions niya rito. So, whether you are married with your person or not yet, you are in love with each other. Okay? And the mere fact that this other energy wants to interrupt, no, that became the sin. Kasalanan. Okay? At nakita ko rito hindi siya magtatagumpay, kundi ang mangyayari is masisira niya lamang ang kanyang sarili. Diba? So yeah, these are all the messages right here, no, for you guys. No, thank you so much. Again, I'm Yana on Sarang Love and Light. And